I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's snowing. It's like super sunny out here, as you can tell, but it's also snowing. And it's the first time I've seen snow this year. So, yay! I just wanted to stop here because this seemed like a pretty cool spot to shoot real quick. It's snowing, and so what better time than now to actually take this video. I've been trying to shoot this video for a while now. I know it's like the second, almost third week into January, and I still haven't posted any videos yet. I've tried really hard to get something out there, but it just wasn't happening. I go to edit one of my videos and all the footage from 2017 just disappeared. I was freaking out. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what was going on. So I tried to look up something that could help me recover everything. I ran across a company called Disc Drill. So I reached out to them and seen if there's anything that they could do for me, and they set me up with some software that helped me recover about, I'd say 90% of my videos. And so I'm super grateful that I got that back. And they also set me up with some additional software that I'm able to give away. So I'm going to be doing that if you're interested in getting some recovery software. I've got one copy that I'm giving away. Just look at the description below to check that out if you're interested. So besides all my footage disappearing, another thing that happened was my mic stopped working. I recorded this specific video probably like 4 or 5 times, and I had so many audio issues. I ended up returning my mic, so hopefully it sounds a little bit better. Hello! And you don't have to worry about that anymore. I can finally get the video done and out there because I want to move on to some other videos. Like I said, I was trying to make this video for a little while now, and it's mainly because I wanted to do a 2017 in review video because it was such a great year for us. We sold our house, we bought a camper, and we started traveling full time. And so I'm super grateful that we were able to start doing that. And I'm grateful for the opportunity to be able to share it with you guys and for everyone that follows. So yeah, 2017 was good, but I think 2018 is going to be even way better. There's a few things that I have planned, and I'm super excited to actually do those things. One of which is to travel out of the country for the first time. And so I'll be doing that here in a couple weeks. And my goal will be to do a daily video while I'm down there. I'll be down there for 3 weeks-ish, and I'm gonna try to do a daily video the whole time. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I'm probably setting myself up for failure, but I just want to be able to, you know, say that I'm gonna do something and then just work at it. And if I don't do it, that's fine, but I really want to get better at filmmaking, vlogging, and all that kind of stuff, and the only way to do it is with practice. And so what better opportunity than this to actually travel? And so yeah, if you want to see where I'm going, if you're interested in following along on the whole trip and you're not subscribed, then please do. Every little bit helps. I need a couple more to finally reach one of my milestones, 100 subscribers. I know it's not very many, but until I reach that, I'm not even able to do a couple things with my channel, like give it a name. But yeah, 2018 is going to be awesome. So many great things are going to happen. I just know it. And I'm thankful for the opportunity to be able to share it with you guys. And I want to thank you guys for following, for subscribing, and continuing to support me while I try to learn whatever I'm doing. So thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey, welcome to my first video. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is
I'm Jessica Bramlett, and we're gonna be looking for a new camper.